Hey everybody, let's go. Number 1, dandelions. Dandelions are my favorite wild edible. It's easy, they're everywhere. Like you can find them in your yard, you can find them out in nature. You can use the roots, you could use the leaves, you could use the flowers. I love to make tea. Dandelion helps me a lot personally with my digestion. If I want to eat a lot of food, I could have some dandelion tea and it makes me hungry. So if you're kind of the person who struggles to get an appetite, do this. Take a toothbrush here, scrub off the roots, hang it to dry, and next day, bam, look at that. All ready to make some tea. Crumble it up, add some water. I added some fresh flowers in here. And it's really strong. It could be kind of bitter, but I love it. I love the taste. Look at that. Even cats love it. That cat is like, what's this? Here I am dehydrating it and crispy dandelions. Number 2, garlic mustard. Garlic mustard is awesome. At first, I really overlooked this thing. I saw it hanging around and I thought, well, it's probably not that good. It's everywhere. It's invasive. Not that many people praise it as for health benefits. But when I looked it up, I was like, oh man, are you kidding me? It had so many health benefits. Check it out. These things are great. I have all sorts of nutrients in them. They taste good. You could use them any way you would for spinach. Just watch out for your friends. They might come and try to take some once they figure it out. So here I am putting it into a meal. Butter went great. Look at that. Even the dog wanted some. Number 3, Fiddleheads. Fiddleheads almost didn't make it on this list because I was worried somebody might pick the wrong kind of one, but I've been eating them a lot. Here I am, we're out camping. They're easy to find here in Northeast Ohio. We went out to Pennsylvania. They're everywhere. They taste good. And yeah, awesome.
See these? These are what we're looking for, but these are pretty old. I think we ate some of these last night and it was fine. We just picked off the top from here. But I would look for more something like this. Look at that, this is prime. You wanna go ahead and just snap these babies off, but don't take the whole bunch. Just take a few from each, and that's good. And we'll go somewhere else. All right, so with these fiddleheads, what you gotta be careful of is the ones that with white fur on the outside. I like to call these old man rickety. That's because legend has it a long time ago there was an old man crickety, and he owned a lot of land, right? And he had all these fiddleheads growing, and so people would come far and wide to come pick the fiddleheads. Well, this upset old man crickety pretty a lot, because he was like, I don't want all these people on my land. You know, this is my land, get out. And he got so upset that he died and became a fiddlehead, but he became a poisonous fiddlehead. And so that is how we came to have old man crickety fiddleheads. So watch out for these. You don't want to eat these. So let's review real quick. This is good. This is the baby fern with the brown. And this one, who's that? Old man crickety. You know why? Because you could tell by his beard and his gray hair.
Number 4, purple dead nettle. Purple dead nettle, you could probably find this in your grass if you look really closely. See it here, it's really small, but here it's huge when you let it grow, and it's beautiful. Look at that purple on the top. I really thought this was nettle at first. When I thought it was like a baby nettle plant when I first found it, because the leaves. But you could tell by the deep purple and the flowers and the stem. The stem is square, it's hollow. It's a member of the mint family. I so far dried it up, made tea. Gives me an invigorating feeling. Look at that, happy as a kite. Number 5, ramps. Now you may be thinking, if you looked into edibles before, why isn't this number 1? Everybody wants to go find ramps. You know why? Because they're easy. These were the first things I found. All you have to do is go out into the woods here in Northeast Ohio, and you can find them just by looking around. Look for a big patch of green, walk over to them, check out the leaves, check out the stems, take a little peep at the bulbs, make sure they're it, and you can use the leaves. You could cut them up, put them in some food. I have used them in eggs, potatoes, just like you would normal green onions. You could use the bulb as you would onions or garlic. Here I am eating that, and good.